Hi guys, a moment ago our post office lady dropped off this intriguing box on our doorstep. Do you want to see what's in it? Today we're going to do a mystery unboxing. I'm going to get a first look at a brand new upcoming brand, and I'm going to let you preview it with me as well. If you love leather bags as much as I do, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. And if podcasts are your thing, please check out my weekly podcast called the Pebbled Leather Podcast. A new episode comes out every Wednesday and it's on the major podcast platforms. So I'll put links in the description box below, but I love talking about leather bags and I do it every week. Now, before we get into this box, I have to tell you that I can't reveal the name of this brand just yet. But if you like what you see and you'd like to be the first to know about this brand when I can tell you, just send me a direct message over on Instagram at LisaLovesLeather and I will keep you in the loop. And depending on when you're watching this video, definitely check the description box below to see if I've placed a link to this brand's website. But if not, again, just send me that message. So let me give you the backstory on what we're about to unbox together. This brand does small batch production in full grain, vegetable, and chrome tanned leathers sourced from American tanneries. Each bag is lovingly constructed by hand, and the process from start to finish for just one bag takes anywhere from 7 to 12 hours long. That's a long time. And the woman behind this brand has told me that she will pray for others during the process of making a bag. So I feel like the creation of her bags makes visible her faithful prayers. This bag is the second ever of its kind. It's the first of its kind ever sold, and it's only the 6th bag made by this brand. So if you're seeing things now, you're seeing it from the ground floor, but I'm telling you, she's going places. So get in line now because soon it's going to wrap around the building. Sorry, you can hear my son on the baby monitor. So are you ready to see it? Let's take a look. Oh boy. Oh, look at this. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh, it's so nicely packaged. Thank you for supporting small businesses. Okay, put this down and let's take a look. So when I said it's the first of its kind, I mean of this particular brand. There are other bag brands out there that might have a style like this, but it's the first of this brand that has been sold. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, wow. I want to be so careful tearing off this paper because this is a bucket bag. Oh, it feels so good. I'm so into the feel of leather. The look and the smell is also important, but the feel might be number one for me. Oh, I really appreciate it that she stuffed it so nicely. But here it is. Oh my goodness. Do you like it? Ah, I do. Oh, so this is a bucket bag. This leather is delicious. Wow, it's stunning. I love this color, and got a tassel too. Oh my goodness. Okay, so check out this handle. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is super thick, you guys. I don't know if that's gotta be around like 10 ounces, I would think. And do you hear that sound? That's what I was hoping for. This is real solid brass. And I was hoping for like that sound. I don't know, I just really, really like that sound. Here's the interior. Oh, you might be able to see the brand. I'll just put my hand there. Maybe some of you will know this brand, but it's on the DL for now because, you know, when you're a leather bag company that, you know, does small batch production like this, you know, you can't do a ton of orders right away. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah, so this is a one-piece construction. So there's no seam at the bottom. So there's not a weak spot on the bottom. I can really load this bag up. Oh my gosh. And it's just one strap. Now I usually go for totes. I'm more of a tote girl, but there is something so classy about this bucket bag. And as soon as I saw it, I fell in love with it. And I love the hemmed top, and the pocket inside is also hemmed, which is a really nice touch. Oh, it feels so good inside. Okay, and then this exterior pocket is just great. Oh, wow. And I love the depth. Depth is so important. You can carry so much more if you have a good depth. Wow. That is a beautiful bag. I am thrilled with it. Okay, so if you like what you see and you might want one of these too or something like it, or you want to see more by this brand, please definitely message me on Instagram at LisaLovesLeather. I'll put you in the queue. I'll get you in touch when it's the right time, and maybe you'll be able to have one of these bags for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.